my channel Madhvi's Culinary Art. Today we are going to see how to cook a traditional authentic dish, that is cashew coconut curry from west coast of India, that is Konkan region. This dish is mainly cooked using the tender cashew kernels which are available during the summer season. This is a vegetarian delicacy during the summer season in the Konkan region. So before getting started with the recipe, I would like to show you the difference between the tender cashew kernels and the normal kernels which are available in the market. So let's see the difference. So these are the two types of kernels I was talking about. These are the initial stage of processed cashew kernels, which are wet cashews, we call as ole kazu in our region. And this is a processed cashew kernel, that is cashew nuts, which is normally available in supermarket. This is processed by drying, roasting and peeling off from the fruit of the cashews. We are going to use this kernel in our recipe. You can use this also by soaking it for 8 to 10 hours in the lukewarm water. So now we are ready to start with the recipe. I have taken here the cashew kernels which I have soaked overnight and started peeling them off. Before peeling the cashew kernels, do apply coconut oil to your hand. As you see, it is very easy to peel the cashews. If it is not that easy, then you can soak the cashews into warm water for some time, or you can microwave it for 30 seconds. So the first step is to boil the cashews. Take a saucepan, add our cashews, and add some lukewarm water to it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, now I would add 1 teaspoon of Malwani masala. This is a homemade masala. If you don't have Malwani masala, you can add simply red chili powder. Stir it well and allow the cashews to boil for about good 5 to 7 minutes or till the cashews are cooked. Till the cashews are getting cooked, we would start with our masala preparation, that is vartan. In a frying pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Allow the oil to heat up a bit. Then I would add 1 onion roughly chopped. Fry the onion really well. Meanwhile, we could add our dried spices, that are some amount of cumin seeds, then petals of star flower, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 black pepper seeds, a cinnamon stick, then 3 cardamom and 1 bay leaf. Mix everything well and fry it till the onions are completely cooked through. Now you can just add half a teaspoon of salt. Now as onions are half cooked through, I would add 1 inch of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. So as you see, our onions are almost cooked. We would add 1 bowl of freshly grated coconut. Mix the coconut well and fry it till the coconut is completely dried out or have changed color. Fry, fry, fry. Now, when the mixture gets cooked, we would take it off the flame and keep it aside for cooling it down. Now we would check on our cashews. Our cashews are boiled and cooked through. To check if the cashews are cooked, just take a single cashew kernel and then cut it through the knife. It should cut very easily. Now drain all the water from the cashew in a separate saucepan so that we can use it later. Please don't throw off this water. Keep the cashews aside and grind our coconut mixture into a smooth paste. Now into a saucepan add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I would add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Malwani masala, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and I would add our boiled cashews and our coconut masala. Now mix everything well and fry the masala for about 1 minute. Now after frying everything for 1 minute, we are ready to add water which we had used to boil the cashews. Wash off your mixer grinder with that water and add it to the mixture. Remember always to add lukewarm water to the mixture. Lukewarm water helps to maintain the temperature of gravy and speeds up the cooking process. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt, once again stir it well. And cover it and cook for about 5 minutes or till the gravy comes to the boil. So now if you see, a very beautiful color has been developed and our cashew coconut masala curry is ready. Now we would finally finish it off by garnishing it with finely chopped coriander, and our cashew curry is ready to serve. Wow, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and I'm sure you will enjoy cooking it also. So do try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know in the comment box below how did it turn out. And if you have done any more modifications into this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Madhuri's Culinary Art. Bye. See you next time with the new recipe, and till then, happy cooking.